Dear viewer, we welcome you to our channel Funny Origami. If you watch our videos, you will learn how to make very beautiful and bright toys and crafts from paper. Did you know that origami has a positive effect on the development of your brain, as well as very well calms the nervous system and develops perseverance? During lessons with paper trains patience, perseverance, intelligence, imagination, and fine motor skills. Origami stimulates the development of memory as well as to make a handicraft. It is necessary to remember the sequence of its production, techniques, and ways of folding. Origami introduces basic geometric concepts: angle, side, square, triangle, etc. Origami activates the thought processes. In the process of constructing, you need to correlate the visual characters showing the methods of folding with the verbal explaining the methods of folding and the translation of their meaning in practical activities, independent performance of actions. We have taken care of that our videos were simple and clear, but in any case, if you have something that does not work, you can always ask a clarifying question in the comments and we will definitely help you. Enjoy and grow together with Funny Origami. Be sure to subscribe and give us a like. We try.